interests of the sides and stakes of the conflict. The position of France in the Black Sea crisis in the middle of the 19th century was determined by projection of its inner factors. The Second French Republic or the Second French Empire, linked to the name of Louis-Napoleon or the Emperor Napoleon III, was the first European nation-state where the capitalist class that grew during the industrial development gained the political power and social domination. This class dreamed to spread the French dominance over Western and Central Europe to satisfy the French nationalist ambitions and their profiteering. But it was impossible to do that without violating the European concept that was a consent of all European great powers over any changes of regimes, borders in Europe, or balance of force. In the core of the European concept was the Holy Alliance of Russia, Prussia, and Austria. It was impossible to break the European concept without destroying the Holy Alliance. And it was impossible to break the Holy Alliance without defeating Russia. For Russia, defeat in this configuration of conflict meant a danger to its possession of the regions that Russia obtained during its imperial epoch, such as Finland, the Baltic provinces, Poland, and the nowadays Ukraine. For Russia, the conflict in the limited location of the Black Sea transformed into the existential one, and it became the conflict over dominance over Europe and in Eurasia. In any large conflict, in warfare, politics, and business, it's necessary to find its true stakes despite its seemingly local limits. I teach to do that in my course of military strategy for warfare, politics, and business. You could find a link to this course in the description to this video.